Welcome back to The Worldly Traveler. Today, we're uncovering a really special destination. A place where rustic charm meets refined comfort, and where nature's beauty becomes part of every moment. Welcome to SCP Mendocino Inn and Farm, a unique coastal retreat tucked into the dramatic cliffs and forested hills of Northern California's Mendocino coast. From the moment you arrive, SCP Mendocino Inn and Farm feels like a breath of fresh Pacific air. This isn't your typical hotel. It's a place that reflects its landscape with authenticity. Rolling hills, oak trees, ocean views, and fresh farm air set the tone for a stay that feels both grounding and invigorating. It's a retreat where you can slow down, reconnect with nature, and create meaningful travel memories. The design of SCP Mendocino Inn and Farm celebrates simplicity, comfort, and craft. Thoughtful architecture and warm natural materials like wood and stone combine with clean, understated interiors to create spaces that feel calm and welcoming. Every room and common area is designed so that the landscape feels present even when you're indoors, with large windows and plenty of light bringing the outdoors in. Guest rooms at the inn are restful and tastefully appointed, with plush beds and soft linens that make it easy to unwind after days filled with exploration. Each room has its own character and story, with views that might include rolling pastures, towering trees, or the distant Pacific Ocean. Here, waking up early to watch mist rising over the hills or enjoying a quiet moment on your porch feels like an absolute luxury. One of the heartbeats of this destination is its farm experience. The farm at SCP Mendocino is a living, breathing part of the property, with heritage gardens, farm animals, and seasonal harvests shaping the rhythm of daily life. Guests can stroll through fields, meet the animals, or simply watch the sun move across the sky as birds wheel overhead. It's an experience that reconnects you with the rhythms of the land in a way few resorts do. Outdoor spaces are abundant here. Miles of coastal trails, hidden coves, seaside bluffs, and forested groves invite exploration. Whether you're hiking to a dramatic ocean overlook, picnicking near a secret beach, or watching a sunset that seems to stretch on forever, the landscape around Mendocino Inn and Farm is an open invitation to slow travel and wonder. Dining here feels like part of the adventure. Fresh, locally inspired meals are crafted with ingredients sourced from the farm and nearby growers, celebrating the bounty of the region. Meals feel unhurried, flavorful, and deeply connected to place, whether you're enjoying a morning farm breakfast or a dinner focused on seasonal harvests. What makes SCP Mendocino Inn and Farm truly unforgettable is its balance of rustic charm and refined touches. It's a place where you can explore nature, relax in thoughtful comfort, and feel connected, not just to the landscape but to the slower pace of mindful travel. Whether you're here for a romantic escape, a solo recharging retreat, or a nature-filled adventure with loved ones, this inn offers a stay that feels deeply restorative and uniquely memorable. Thank you for traveling with The Worldly Traveler. If this Mendocino coastal retreat inspires your next journey, be sure to subscribe for more thoughtfully crafted hotel stories, scenic escapes, and unforgettable travel experiences from around the world.